Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Ally Bank online banking password, follow these step-by-step instructions to regain secure access to your account. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Ally Bank website at ally.com. Step 2. Click Login in the top right corner to access the login page. Step 3. Below the login fields, click the Forgot Password or Reset Password link. Step 4. Enter your username or the email address associated with your Ally account to identify your account. Step 5. Verify your identity by providing personal information such as your account number, social security number, date of birth, or answering security questions. Step 6. Choose how you want to receive your password reset code, either via text message to your registered phone number or email to your registered email address. Step 7. Enter the verification code you received and click Continue or Submit. Step 8. Create a new strong password that meets Ally's security requirements, typically including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your new password, submit the change, and log in with your new credentials to verify the reset was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.